Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be repairing the Dyson CY26 vacuum cleaner, specifically focusing on the cable rewind mechanism. To start, let's gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a small brush for cleaning. If you don't have these tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help. Begin by unplugging the vacuum to ensure safety. Next, lay the vacuum on its side to access the bottom. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located near the cable rewind area. There are typically 3 screws that hold the cover in place. Make sure to keep them safe for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the cover using the flathead screwdriver. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the plastic clips. As you open the cover, you may notice dust and debris inside. Use the small brush to clean the interior, as this can help improve the vacuum's performance. Regular cleaning is essential for maintaining your vacuum's efficiency. Now, focus on the cable rewind mechanism. Check for any tangled wires or obstructions. If you notice any, carefully untangle them. If you're unsure about the state of the mechanism, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help identify if further repairs are needed. Next, inspect the spring mechanism that helps with the cable rewind. If it appears damaged or loose, you may need to replace it. This is a common issue with older models. To replace the spring, carefully remove the old spring using pliers and install a new one by following the reverse procedure. If you don't have the tools for this, our service includes the option for a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision. Once the cable mechanism is checked and any necessary replacements are made, reassemble the vacuum. Start by placing the cover back in its original position, ensuring all clips are secured. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them firmly but avoiding over-tightening, which can crack the plastic. After reassembling, it's crucial to test the vacuum. Plug it in and gently pull the cable to ensure it rewinds smoothly. If it struggles, recheck the spring and the cable alignment. Remember, if you encounter any issues during this process, no calls, no travel, we can come to you and assist with the repair. Finally, once you've confirmed everything is functioning correctly, give the exterior of the vacuum a good wipe down to remove any dust that may have accumulated during the repair process. Congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Dyson CY26. If you prefer, our team is always here to help with any repairs or services you may need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.